Hello everybody, welcome to Aapki Parneet. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am at a construction site. I'm not buying a house, but I just wanted to show you around. So this is a community that is growing up in the suburbs, and many of the houses are going through different stages of building. ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ foundation बन रही है ਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ level 2 electricity and plumbing and different stages. So US में जब घर बनते हैं तो जो अगर full sized communities बन रही हैं तो everything is first very meticulously planned, roads, clubhouses, सारा कुछ उस community दे, and then the plots are cut just like India, and then there are different sizes of the plots, and so यही है. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं आज just to gain some more knowledge, मैं आज यहाँ पे आई हुई हूँ, and it's interesting to learn new things, and I hope you like my vlog today. So let's go. So in my background you see the workers working on the foundation. Unfortunately they don't understand English, so they are speaking in Spanish, so they don't know what I'm saying. पर ਆਪਾਂ देखते हैं कि किस तरह foundation lay हुंदी है. So you see, this is the first step of laying the foundation. So let's see if they can. But they were really nice, working very hard. So let's see. So look at how the foundation is done. Thank you. Tell us your name, please.
Sender Velasquez.
And where are you from?
I'm from Guatemala.
And do you have family here?
Yes.
Who is in your family?
I don't know. I don't know.
Children?
No children.
Mother, dad?
No.
No, just you here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And what are you doing right now? Are you working on the foundation?
Yes, foundation. Yes.
And how long does it take to make the foundation?
How long time?
Yeah.
Today.
Today you started?
Yeah.
And
Today is ready foundation.
huh?
Today is ready foundation.
Oh, it will be ready. So how
Yeah.
many days does it take for the foundation to be ready?
Three
Three
4
days?
days.
3-4 days?
Yeah.
Okay. So in my background you see that they are laying down the utilities, the pipes. So you see the workers doing the pipe work and like laying the gas lines for the house. So that's a lot of interesting work if someone is interested in construction or their own construction company. So that's a great tool to gain some practical experience. See how they do it. So you see these yellow pipelines. So they are basically doing the utilities for the house. Here they can. This one and another truck. So US में जहाँ पे भी कंस्ट्रक्शन होती है, जो कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स हैं वहाँ पे the basic sanitary needs of the workers are also kept in mind. So मेरे पीछे पोटा पॉटीज़ हैं for the workers who can use the toilet. It's like a portable toilet. और अभी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ ये फाउंडेशन इस घर की रेडी है एंड द वुडन फ्रेमवर्क इज़ अप. सो देखते हैं, इसके बाद मैं आपको नेक्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ बिल्डिंग भी दिखाऊंगी एंड देन द फाइनल हाउसेस. ओके, सो मेक श्योर यू आर विद मी एंड लेट्स गो. सो ये देखें, ये हाउस का फ्रंट है एंड ये वाली जो साइड है, एक मिनट में दिखाती हूँ, ये वाली, दिस वन इज़ द गराज और ये है घर का फ्रंट एंट्रेंस. सो जैसे ही हम एंटर कर रहे हैं, आई सी द स्टेयर्स. So this is the wooden framework of the house, which is basically like a skeleton, and everything else, walls, roof, windows, insulations are built on top of it. So in the US, the houses are built of wood, which is very cost effective and it provides good insulation. The two bedrooms CG upstairs. ਤੇ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਘਰ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਜਿੱਥੇ the dry walls were up. The house wasn't done yet but still gave us a better idea. ਤੇ ਇਹ ਵੀ open plan kitchen ਸੀ. So if you are building a house from a scratch, you have an opportunity of adding a gas line and a water line outside in the patio, unless you have a wet and a dry kitchen. The next were the model homes, and I'll be showing you one of them. So now I'm going to tour a model home, and then I'm going to show you, as you're touring the model home, if you can guess the price of it. बहुत ही ज़्यादा धुप है और गर्मी भी बहुत लग रही है इस टाइम ना. This is the garage. ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਚੋਂ this is our front entrance. ਤੇ ਚਲੋ ਚੱਲਦੇ हैं. Hello. Open. So this is the lovely alley, and this is me. So enter karte hi. This is the first bathroom. And this is the second bedroom. ਤੇ look at ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੜਕ ਵੀ ਦਿਖਦੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੋਂ. So usually model homes 'ਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ upgrades ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. ਤੇ this they've utilized into office space. And this is the kitchen. Living space and dining space. And this is the master bedroom and the backyard. A bathtub, shower, your lids, and the walk-in closet. देखो ये है backyard, patio, and मैं जो थानू कह रही सी ना, ये देखो, this is the outdoor gas pipe. Backyard the size भी चंगा है. Third bedroom done. ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਇਸ ਬਿਲਡਰ ਨੇ ਡਿਸਪਲੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਸੀ some samples from their design center. So you can actually pick what you would like the tiles, the kind of floors you would like in the design center stage of building your house. This house is around 392, and but it has, since it's a model home, it has lots of upgrades. It's about 2,000 square footage, and it's a model home, and including the upgrades would be around 500,000. So Looks good. So that was our visit to construction site and model homes. It's interesting to see how a house goes from just a wooden framework to fully furnished home where families will eventually live. And like my younger one says, protect your nest. I urge all of you to protect your nest and let the nest of others flourish. If you liked my video, do consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Thank you very much.